Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Edge 830. First, power on your device and follow the on-screen prompts to select your language and preferred units, like miles or kilometers. Next, pair your Edge 830 with your smartphone using the Garmin Connect app via Bluetooth. Finally, connect any external sensors, such as a heart rate monitor or speed sensor, to enhance your ride data. This foundational setup ensures your device is ready for action. Now, let's explore navigation. You can easily create new routes directly on your device or import them from platforms like Garmin Connect. Once a route is loaded, the Edge 830 provides clear, turn-by-turn directions on its vibrant color screen, guiding you precisely. Utilize the detailed map to discover new paths, locate specific points of interest, and confidently navigate unfamiliar terrain during your rides. Customizing your data display is key to a personalized experience. You can easily personalize your data screens to show the metrics most important to you, such as current speed, power output, or cadence. Adjust the number of data fields on each screen from 1 to 10 to optimize visibility. Additionally, set up helpful alerts for metrics like heart rate zones or hydration reminders, ensuring you stay informed throughout your ride. Finally, let's cover tracking and analysis. Starting and stopping your ride recording is straightforward with a single button press. After your ride, the Edge 830 automatically syncs your data to Garmin Connect, allowing for in-depth analysis of your performance. Review key metrics like distance, elevation gain, and average speed, helping you track your progress and achieve your cycling goals over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.